Hi Jez, Family Law Cafe is helping you with your children matter. How are you finding it?
I'm finding it really well. It's been a nice introduction into being able to go into the court system. I've been able to upload documents and been able to speak to my lawyer in actually quite a quick fashion, because once I've loaded something up, if I have any questions or queries, it's answered straight away. So far, so good.
So far, so good.
A good experience.
Good. How does it feel to get your document from your lawyer before you go to court and be able to interact with your lawyer online before you step into court?
I have found that very good. I mean, for me, I really didn't know anything about the system. It's just the first time that I'm going through such an event in my life, so it's quite traumatic. Mm-hmm. But to have someone that is there to help in every sense of way, you know, through helping me to know what's going to happen at court, what, you know, type of documents I'm going to get, just knowing actually how to behave as well, because it's all new, it's something that you've never been through, but to have that guidance, and it's kind of like a mentor actually, someone mentoring you to go through the process. So it's an amazing thing. I've enjoyed every step of the way, so thank you.
Okay, and checking of court documents, things like statements, things like applications, how's that worked?
I have had trouble with that. And you know, being able to be directed to the right websites to be able to use in helping you to be able to create the documents, and also just having guidance on the stuff that you need to put into the documents itself. Mm-hmm. I found that very useful, because I've never done such a document like that. So, you know, when you first look at it, it's like, oh my God, there's this legal document, it's all this kind of language that's in it, I don't understand it. Mm-hmm. But being able to go onto the space and say, look, I really don't understand what this is about, please can you help? You send off the message, you know, your phone pings because you've got an email that says, you've got a new message on your thing, and you're like, thank God I've got it, and it's just in time, you know, so it's really, really good. It's not just a set time as well, it's 24 hours really. I can go on there, send a message, and by the time I've woken up in the morning, there's a message back for me, so it's really been good.
And how have you found the hosting side, so that, you know, if you can make a phone call if you need to?
Yes.
Have you used that at all?
I have used that quite a bit. I've sent text messages and I've had phone calls, and somebody at the other end is always helpful. There's a lovely voice at the other end, so it's really, really good.
Okay, so if people are unsure about using Family Law Cafe, do you have any message for them? What would you say?
The first thing to do is take a chance, have a go on it, because if you don't, I mean, I was sceptical at first and I was thinking, oh, do I really need to do this? But yeah, you actually do, because you've got some professional person at the end of the line, or the other end of the internet site, who's there to help you, who's there to support and guide you, and you don't have to worry. You know, that worry of what am I going to do, how am I going to behave, and you know, what kind of things do I have to upload. Someone's there to be able to guide you on what you need to do, and I think that's what you need. I'm a full-time working mum, so you know, trying to remember the stuff that I've got to do for court, it's very difficult trying to manage your day-to-day work as well. So having someone there, it just takes all that pressure away. And I think that's the best thing about it. The pressure is taken away from you as to having to do all the documents and type everything up, as somebody there at the other end who's professional and can do it for you.
And do you feel that you've gained a bit of confidence in dealing with your court case with the mentoring and the assistance?
Definitely.
Okay.
I have definitely gained mentoring. I think it's a lovely experience to, you know, walk into the courtroom knowing that you've got someone who's there fighting for you, knowing that they've briefed you on what's going to happen, so I'm aware of everything that's going to be taking place. I feel confident. I'm not just for myself, I'm also confident that my lawyer is going to go in there and perform the best role possible for supporting me and my children. And that's what I want. I want to be able to feel confident in that person doing it for me.
Jez, I'd really like to thank you for talking to us. Thank you.
Thank you.